Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss what is a prime number and what is the composite number. Now first of all, the definition of what is the definition of the prime number. Now prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself, and prime number should always be a positive integer which is greater than 1. Now the example of the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. Now check here, these numbers are the prime number or not. Now I'll take the number 2 here. Now 2 is divisible by 1 or not. 1 2s are 2, yes, the remainder is 0. And now then 2 is divisible by 2, yes, 2 1s are 2, the remainder is 0. And now here we see that the factors of 2 are 1 and itself, which is 2. Now I'll take the another number which is 7, say. Now check here, this number is the prime number or not. Here the 7 is divisible by 1. 1 7 is 7, the remainder 0. And then now 7 is divisible by itself. Now 7 1 is 7, the remainder 0. But if you 7 is not divisible by 2, 3, 6, 5, all this number is not divisible by 7. So we see that here the factors of 7 are 1 and itself, which is 7. So in case of the prime number, you remember that in this point, in case of the prime number, it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Now let's start here the question here, what are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Now I am showing you here in this table the 1 to hundreds, how many prime numbers are present here. Now first the range 1 to 10. In this range 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, in this range 1 is not a prime number, so we not count this number. Now 2 3 5 7, these are the prime number. And 11 to 20, here 11 13 17 and 19, these are the prime number. And in this range 21 to 30, in this range the prime numbers are 23 and 29. And 31 to 40, in this range the prime numbers are 31 and 37. And 41 to 50, in this range the prime numbers are 41, 43 and 47. And 51 to 60, and the prime numbers are 53 and 59. And 61 to 70, the prime numbers are 61 and 67. And 71 to 80, the prime numbers are 71 and 73 and 79. And 81 to 90, the prime numbers are 83 and 89. And 91 to hundreds, the prime numbers only 1, which is 97. Now we see that here in range 1 to hundreds, how many prime numbers are present. In range 1 to 10, the number of prime numbers are 4. In this range 11 to 20, the prime numbers are 4. And 21 to 30, in this range 2. And 31 to 42 and 41 to 50, in this range the prime numbers are 3. And 51 to 60, in this range the prime numbers are 2. And 61 to 70 also 2. And 71 to 83 and 81 to 90, the prime numbers are 2. And at last 91 to 100, the prime number only 1. So if you easily remember in these tricks here, this number sequence, you see that the number sequence are 4 4 2 2, 4 4 2 2, then 3 and then 2 2. So here you remember 4 4, then half of 4 4, which is 2 2, then 3, then 2 2, then 3, then 2 1. So in this sequence you easily remember how many prime numbers present in 1 to in 100 numbers. So now here discuss here what is the composite number. Now let's start here. Now the definition of the composite numbers what is the definition of the composite number? Composite number is also a positive integer numbers which is divisible by 1 itself and also divisible by other numbers. And the composite numbers are all the positive integer numbers except 1 and the prime numbers. So this point is very important. So composite numbers are the positive integer numbers except 1 and the prime numbers. Now the example of the composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, etc. So now if you check that these numbers are the composite numbers or not. Now I will take number 4. Now first 4 is divisible by 1 or not. 1 4 is 4, the remainder is 0. Then if you 4 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, the remainder is 0. And now 4 is divisible by 3. You check here, 3 1s are 3, the remainder is not 0. So I will not take this number. Now if you check, 4 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 1s are 4. So the remainder 0. We see that here the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now I'll take the another example. Now say 8. Now 8 is divisible by 1. 1 8 is 8, the remainder is 0. And then 2 is divisible, 8 is divisible by 2. Yes, 2 4 is 8, the remainder is 0. And now 4, 8 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 2 is 8, the remainder is 0. And at last 8 is divisible by itself, which is 8 1 is 8 and the remainder is 0. So you see that 8 is not divisible by the other or 3, 5, 6 or 7, not divisible this number. So you see that the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and at last 8. So we see that here more than 2 factors present in the composite numbers. So here in case of prime numbers, it only the 2 factors is present in the prime number, and in case of the composite numbers, more than 2 factors present. So now next one, what are the composite numbers from 1 to 20? Now in the range 1 to 10, in this range 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, in this range 1 is not a composite number, we will not count this number. 2 is not composite number, 3 no, 4 is a composite number, yes, 6 8 9 10. And 11 to 20, in this range 12 is a composite number, 14 15 16 18 and no 19 no, and 20. So you see that in this range 1 to 10 the composite numbers are 5 4 6 3 to 5, and 11 to 20 the range the 6. So now if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.